Hey, welcome to Joel's Smoothie Squad, the show where we drink smoothies and listen to classical music. So last night someone came in and took, or borrowed or whatever, my front spats, these things. So I ordered some new ones, some Ultrex, hopefully they'll come within the week. I'm going to be trying to fix up the horrible mess I did of the plate of the oil cooler that's diverting air into it. That was just a dodgy fix for the moment, but I may as well get around to it now that it's exposed to the world. And we're going to be heading over to Hock's mod shop to go do the exhausts and weld that back together. So come along and let's do it. Luckily I have this one, so it isn't too bad. So I can just put that one on, but this one, I'm going to get some of this and mold it. We're heading over to Hock's mod shop at the moment. We're going to go see Reese. He's going to work his magic, chop a bit of exhaust out, replace that, so we won't have this horrible tractor sounding exhaust leak in the car. And yeah, we're just going to see what we can do there. It's going to be a bit of fun.
We just go no, we can't come close. Got it for the low. Waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo. Yeah, don't go. I just can't come close. I'm looking for the local. No, I don't wanna postpone. Yeah, whip it, flip it. I just wanna get it. Going all in and I won't stop winning. Whip it, flip it. I just wanna get it. Let it all go and I won't stop winning. No, I don't wanna hear about your front. Lot of bad stories coming out of one joint. I met a true bookie in the state of my mind. Now I know a lot of rookies coming over for the title, but I don't wanna fight. I just roll the dice. Do it for the money, yeah. Do it for the price. Take it like a man, no. I don't take advice.
Turbo.
Sick. Does that rub when you like turn it left and right?
Nope. As you turn left and right, it picks the car up, like the whole car lift.
Oh, I see.
That has 60mm extended LCAs, modified knuckles, and E90 racker.
So like it would be steel, obviously, all of under there, right?
Yeah, they're all mild steel, like cast steel. There's a pair there that aren't extended.
Oh shit. Either way.
Just dump that in there.
Fucking sweet.
For the title, but I don't wanna fight. I just roll the dice. Do it for the money, yeah. Do it for the price. Take it like a man, no. I don't take advice. Putting money on the table like a Russian with the spice. We just go no. You just can't come close. Got it for the low. Waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo. Yeah, don't go. You just can't come close. I'm looking for the local. No, I don't wanna postpone. Yeah, whip it, flip it. I just wanna get it. Going all in and I won't stop winning. Whip it, flip it. I just wanna get it. Let it all go and I won't stop winning.
All in fun, eh?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, well, thanks for doing that, man.
No, that's all G.
Fuck yeah. So that was Hock's mod shop with Reese. He did a fucking awesome job. TIG welded that back on for me. So now it's fucking strong and actually sounds really good. So really happy with that. I'll just put the window down. Sounds so much better. Put the window up because I can't hear myself. We'll probably be coming back to Reese in a few weeks' time, or at least taking him the diff to weld it up.
just so that it's a bit more strong and less open. And yeah, slowly getting closer to drifting. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Driftsti.